So inserting a plus symbol seems like it should be the easiest thing in the world, depending on whether you want a standard sign or a fancy mathematical version. So in the first method, you need to hold the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad, you need to press 4, 3 and release the Alt key. And here it is. So for a standard plus sign, you need to use your keyboard. For this, you need to press the shift key. This is the shift key. And along with, you need to click on that key, which is the equal key. Click on that, and here it is. So moreover, if you have a full keyboard, just hit the plus symbol on the far right corner of the number pad. So if you are looking for the plus over minus sign used in math and science, then use this shortcut key. So you need to type 00 B 1 and press the Alt X all together, and here it is. Another way is that you need to click on the insert and click on the equation and click on this drop down menu and find the plus sign, and here it is. You just need to click on that, and here it is. So with this simple tricks, you can easily insert plus symbol in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.